Hello, and welcome to NAME's 3 days weather forecast. I'm Olubi. The flow of the winds have been quite northwesterly over the western part of the country, and this is currently stampeding activities of weather over the west of the country, while the eastern areas are getting a better share of rainfall activities. We expect things not to change much from this landmark in the next 3 days, as we expect on Sunday afternoon and evening hours the part of Gombe-Bauchi axis into part of Jos, Abuja, Kaduna will have some thunderstorms on Sunday evening, while a few places over the southeast coast and that of the southwest coast are likely to also see scattered thunderstorms before the end of today. Elsewhere in the country, we expect stable weather conditions. We expect temperatures over the western flank of the country to rise to as high as 39 degrees Celsius over part of Sokoto and Zamfara, while over the eastern flank, we expect areas around Maiduguri and Yobe to report temperature of about 41 degrees Celsius. Around the central cities, temperatures are likely to hover between 26 to 34 degrees Celsius. Jos is likely to report a daytime high of about 26 degrees Celsius, while as we move to the south, we expect temperatures to range between 32 to 34 degrees Celsius over the southeast and 32 to 33 degrees Celsius over the southwest. We expect Lagos to report temperature around 31 degrees Celsius. As we begin Monday, we expect quite sunny and partly cloudy conditions over the expanse of the north of the country, but we expect some slim chances of thunderstorms over part of Taraba around the Mambila Plateau axis. The coast of Calabar and Port Harcourt are also likely to see some thunderstorms in the early hours of the morning, while we will leave a little chances of thunderstorm to the western flank of Ibadan in the southwest, but we expect these activities of weather over the southwest to be quite minimal. We expect the afternoon to offer more chances of thunderstorms to the eastern flank of Yola to Taraba. Part of the high ground of the central cities of Abuja and Jos will also see some isolated cases of thunderstorms, while we also expect some isolated cases of thunderstorms over the southeast inland and the coast of the southeast as well. The events over the southwest and the inland areas of the southwest are likely to be quite low-key, as we expect stampeding northwesterly winds to reduce the intensity of activities over these areas. Temperatures are still likely to be within 40 to 41 degrees Celsius over the entire north, while around the central cities, temperature will still within 32 to 35 degrees Celsius over most cities like Niger, Jos, Abuja, and Kaduna. We expect temperature around 32 to 33 degrees Celsius over the southeast, and that as well will also hold over the southwest. As we move into Tuesday, we expect stable weather conditions across the entire country from the north to the central cities, while over the south it's likely to be quite cloudy over cities in the south. We expect afternoon to offer more chances of weather over the eastern flank of Yola to part of Taraba as well. A few areas around the central cities are also likely to see some thunderstorm over places around Nasarawa and Abuja, while over the eastern flank, we expect the southeast areas of Enugu, part of northern Cross River, and part of the coast of the southeast of Owerri, Port Harcourt, and Calabar to experience thunderstorms. There are also some chances of thunderstorms on this day to the western flank of part of Niger into part of Kebbi, and also part of the coast of the southwest of Lagos, Ijebu-Ode, and Ogun State. We expect this to be how we expect weather activities to pan out on Tuesday, and temperatures will also still over between 40 to 41 degrees Celsius over the north. Gusau is likely to have temperature of about 38 degrees Celsius. Around the central cities, temperature will still be maintained between 28 over Jos to 33 over Kaduna, while Abuja will report a daytime high of 32 degrees Celsius. Over the coast of the southeast, we still expect temperature of about 31 to 33 degrees Celsius over most coastal areas, while we expect about 27 degrees Celsius daytime temperature over part of Akure in Ondo State. And that's where we'll leave you for the overview of our 3 days weather forecast, running from today till Tuesday. On Wednesday, we'll give you updates of events across the entire country on our 3 days weather forecast. And that's where we'll leave this at this moment. I'm Olubi. Thank you for watching.